Nice. Sorry, now do backhand. All right, take it back. Do a backhand again. This time I want you to do a crossover at the end of it, okay?
There it goes.
Nice. Nice shot. All right, do a forehand now and try a crossover on the forehand side. Nice shot. All right, take it back up. I'm going to cover you now, okay?
What does that mean?
I mean, I'm going to be like a defenseman, and you got to try to skate by me. Go ahead, get up there. Okay. Yep.
Oh!
Oh, misses. Yep. Nice. Again.
2 rebounds.
All right, again. Oh, nice shot.